National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Luzerne County until, hey, are you listening? I'm the frigging emergency alert system. I'm helping to save your life. You know what happens to those who ignore me? They die. Ha 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 ha. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, you know what? Fine. Ignore me. Have fun dying. Oh my god, the tornado is coming. You didn't even flinch. How pathetic. Seek shelter in a, you're still ignoring me, huh? Fine. I'll say whatever I want. You are a loser. You have no friends. I slept with your sister and your mother last night. They love me more than they love you. Wow, you didn't even hit the TV. How sad. You're dead, so I'll just continue. Get into a ditch and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch, whatever. You don't care.